So what's up, you guys? Today I'm bringing you a 2-in-1 special. I'm going to be talking about a Stylus Pen, which is technically a off-brand version of the Apple Pencil. And I'm also going to be talking about this new hot screen protector that is in trend right now, and it's called Paperlike. So let's hop into this Stylus Pen. Oh, also I just want to give off a small disclaimer. I am doing a voiceover because I did not like the sound quality that came from my microphone. So this Stylus Pen is compatible with any Apple iPad versions, whether it's the Pro, the Mini, the Air 2. The only thing is you have to make sure that your version is higher than 12.2. The Stylus does have a 20-hour battery life. If you want to know if it is true to that standard, then drop a comment down below and I will let you guys know. It also comes with extra nibs. It has a Type-C port, and there is a sensor at the top where you can turn it on and off. If you do not know, the nibs are active capacitive, meaning that they can detect and measure anything that is conductive. Now, the instructions within the manual, they wasn't really clear. I did get a little lost and spent a lot of time trying to figure things out. But you do not have to connect this Stylus Pen via Bluetooth. Only thing you have to do is make sure that all your settings are off for the original Apple Pencil. This Stylus Pen cost me $36 compared to $99 for the first generation Apple Pencil. Now let's get into some things that I liked and disliked. I disliked that the product did not come wrapped. It was just open. I do not like that the sensor for the on and off functionality is one tap. I honestly wish that it was double tap, because if you just brush against it or accidentally tap it with a part of your hand, it goes off or it goes on. And so if you have this pencil, attached to your iPad casing and it accidentally hits something or bumps something in your backpack, your pencil is turned on all day and you don't know it. So when it comes time for you to use it, the battery is dead. So that is one functionality that I do not like, is that the sensor is very, very sensitive, has a high sensitivity. I do love that you are given an option to be awarded a $25 Amazon gift card if your review is accepted. And also, I did a little small demonstration of how the Stylus Pen work with Notability, which is an app that you can purchase to do your notes in. Clear as day. It has a great structure when it comes to organizing your notes. You can write your notes, you can type your notes, you can import documents, you can write on the documents, you can share your notes. You can just do a lot of things within this app. And it also worked great with, I didn't really do much with Procreate. I just did a little shading and seeing if it picked up the pressure from, by me pressing harder or lighter. So I don't know how great it was with pressure detection, but for those who do use Procreate on a daily basis, let me know what you saw from the small clip of me, vaguely shading and just creating lines all over the place. So yes, that is my review on the Stylus Pen. I will make sure that I put all the information down in the description. Now let's hop into the Paperlike screen protector. This particular brand calls it a Paperlike film. It is made in Japan. It came with a lot of materials, alcohol pads, microfiber cloth, position stickers, the actual screen protector itself, a pamphlet that included instructions on the inside, and then on the back was contact support information, and then on the front of the pamphlet was a nice thank you message. Advised to follow these steps that is on the back of the packaging because they are more straightforward versus the steps that are within the pamphlet because they are very long and tedious. I had decided to follow the steps that were within the pamphlet, and once I realized that I could have just done it the easy way and more straightforward way and would have saved me a whole bunch of time if I had just followed the steps that was on the back of the packaging. The things that I like, I really don't have any dislikes about this screen protector, this film. I think it's awesome. I feel like it is one of the greatest purchases that I have made for my iPad Air, by the way. I have an iPad Air 2019, third generation. But I love that the Stylus Pen, feels nice when I write. It feels nice. It does give off this sound. I really don't know how to explain it, but if you have written with leaded pencils, that sound that the lead makes as you write across the paper feels great. It just has like this matte texture to it. Functionality is great. I have no issues with anything like that. Everything works just fine, as if I don't even have a screen protector on my iPad. So the comfortability is a plus. Functionality is a plus. It's just an overall 5 out of 5. So that is my review on the Paperlike film, Paperlike screen protector. It is awesome. You should get it. Go buy it. All information will be down in the description. And if you guys want more reviews or more videos on things that are in trend or things that you are skeptical about buying, tech related, just let me know. Leave it all down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching.